Digital banking is a system where customers can access banking services through the internet using a smartphone, computer, or tablet without visiting any physical bank branch. In simple terms, digital banking means having banking services in the palm of your hand. Example: suppose at 10 p.m. your friend urgently needs money. At that time, banks are closed, so you cannot go to a branch. But if you have digital banking services, such as Citibank's CityTouch, Dutch Bangla Bank's Nexus Pay, or BRAC Bank's Asta app, you can do the following. Log in to your bank's app from your phone. Go to the Fund Transfer option and enter your friend's account or card number. Enter the amount of money. Within seconds, the money will be transferred to your friend's account. How digital banking works. Digital banking works through several steps. 1. Account and registration. First, the customer must open a bank account and register on the bank's digital platform, app, or website. The bank provides a unique user ID and password. 2. Instruction. When a customer wants to perform a transaction, such as sending money or paying bills, they give a digital instruction through the app or website. This instruction is sent to the bank's central server via the internet. 3. Security and encryption. Digital banking is highly secure. When you send information, it is encrypted into coded form so that no one can steal it during transmission. Additionally, an OTP, or one-time password, is sent to your mobile to verify that you are the one making the transaction. 4. Central processing. The bank's server or computer system automatically checks whether you have sufficient balance and whether the recipient's details are correct. If everything is valid, the transaction is completed instantly. 5. Confirmation. After the transaction is completed, you receive an SMS or email confirmation. Your digital statement and account balance are also updated immediately. Main services of digital banking: fund transfer, sending money from one account to another, bill payment, paying electricity, gas, water, or internet bills, mobile recharge, recharging your own or others' mobile phones, e-commerce payment, paying for online shopping, statement checking, viewing account balance and transaction history. Examples of digital banking in Bangladesh. Popular services include bKash, Nagad, Rocket, BRAC Bank's Asta app, Citibank's CityTouch. These services allow users to send money, pay bills, recharge mobile phones, and more. Advantages of digital banking: available 24/7, banking from home, fast and easy transactions, easy access to transaction history. Precautions: do not share your password or PIN with anyone. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Use only official apps. Conclusion: in short, digital banking is a modern system that uses technology and the internet to make banking faster, safer, and more convenient.